Friends, black hole is a topic that has always fascinated scientists. Whenever we know and talk about space, black holes are automatically mentioned. What is black hole? This question has always been one of the mysteries of astronomy. Those who are interested in science, there is always curiosity to know about black holes. Recently, astronomers have discovered the oldest black hole in our universe. The mass of this giant black hole, found with the help of the James Webb Space Telescope, is 1,000,000 times more than that of our Sun. Scientists believe that more such black holes can be found. So let's know how and from where this devil of the universe was found. We'll also tell you what is a black hole, what is inside a black hole, and how do black holes look. Friends, let's see the complete information about black holes. So much so that even light cannot come out from there. The gravity in a black hole is so strong that if a starship or spacecraft comes close to it, it will pull it in and compress it like a putty. This process is known as spaghetti development. In a black hole, light is completely observed, so it is not possible to see it. Black holes are invisible, which can be discovered through telescope with special tools. According to the scientist, black holes are in both big and small sizes. They can be as small as the size of an atom, but have a mass as large as a giant mountain. There is another type of black hole called a star black hole. Its mass can be 15 to 20 times more than the mass of the Sun. There are many black holes of such magnitude in the Milky Way of our Earth. The largest black holes are known as supermassive black holes. The mass of these black holes together is much more than the mass of 10,000,000 suns. Scientists have found evidence that a supermassive black hole exists at the center of every large galaxy. The supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way, named Sagittarius A, may have a mass as large as 40,000 suns. It is so massive that if it were to fit inside a large hair, it could hold millions of Earths. Black holes are divided into 4 categories: black holes, intermediate black holes, supermassive black holes, and microscopic black holes. Let us tell you that the black hole was discovered by Cal Squire Salt and John Weller. Stephen Hawking described the outer part of the black hole as the horizon. According to Hawkins, due to black hole radiation, a completely free mass disappears. According to Einstein, the power of a black hole is so high that nothing coming around it can escape its effect. According to NASA, the world's first known black hole was discovered in 1964 within a galaxy in the constellation of Cygnus the Swan, named Cygnus X Vantha. Black holes form with the death of massive stars. Only stars with more than 3 solar masses are believed to become black holes at the end of their lives. Black holes are cold on the inside, but incredibly hot on the outside. The space temperature of a black hole with the mass of our Sun is around 1 part in 10,000 of a degree above absolute zero. Astronomers always keep an eye on space, but recently 2 such black holes have been discovered, which have never been seen before. Both these black holes are very close to the Earth and are also different from the rest of the black holes. They have been discovered by an international team of astronomers that had never been seen before. For this, data from the mission of the European Space Agency has been used, which is linked with the world's best ground telescopes. According to the PAC, the names of these 2 black holes are Gaia BH1 and Gaia. These 2 black holes in BS2 are the closest to the Earth than any black hole discovered so far. Both black holes have grown about 9 to 10 times more than our Sun. Gaia BH1 is just 1560 light-years away from our solar system like a constellation. It is about 3 times closer than the previous largest black hole. Gaia BS2 is about 3,800 light-years away from this constellation. Both these black holes have grown about 9 to 10 times more than our Sun and are inside our own galaxy. Why hasn't anyone seen these giant black holes till now? That's the big question. So when you have that, it's practically invisible. Earlier scientists used to search for black holes by looking at the remains. According to NASA, when a star comes and a cloud of gas falls into a black hole, it leaves electromagnetic radiation behind it, so that scientists can know that it is a black hole. This discovery is different from previous discoveries because Gaia BH1 and BS2 are completely black holes. Also, there is no evidence that they have swallowed a star, and researchers have found these black holes by carefully tracking the movements of 2 stars like SORI. The researchers noticed that the stars were wobbly in space. This suggests that there must be a lot of gravity or that another star is pulling them towards itself. But when the researchers closely examined the telescope, they did not find anything there from which radiation was coming. According to mathematics, this happens only if there is a black hole. Both black holes were discovered in late 2022. According to the PSA, Gaia B, H, Bun and Gaia BH belong to a new category of black holes that have never been seen before. The next data from Gaia will be released in 2025. Scientists have been hoping that they have become more active then. We'll know about black holes. This research has recently been published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. A question arises in the mind of those interested in black hole that what will happen if we fall into black hole? Perhaps you think that you will die. You would guess that the black hole would crush you, but in such a situation many other things could happen to you. If you have come under the grip of a black hole, then two things can happen to you. You will either burn to ashes immediately or you will be trapped in a black hole without any harm. Guys, what's inside a black hole? It still remains a puzzle for the scientists because it is not possible to come back from a black hole. Is it not possible even for light, let alone a person or an object? The gravity of a black hole is so strong that it absorbs even light. There very few rules apply. If you want to light a torch inside a black hole, then it is not possible because light also needs some physical object to reflect which is not present in the black hole. That's why you will see nothing but darkness. If you go close to a black hole, you will cross its event horizon in the first step. During this time your clock will start running slow due to strong gravity, but apart from this you will not experience anything special. No one knows what will happen after reaching here now. Will another universe come or will you forget everything and reach the new world? This mystery remains till now. By the way, it is also impossible to find the exact answer of how many black holes are there in the universe. But according to one study, 40 billion black holes exist in the observable universe. So you can imagine how many black holes would be present in the whole universe. The study was conducted by experts from Italy-based International School for Advanced Studies. Friends, scientists around the world are still engaged in uncovering the secrets of black holes. It is expected that in the coming time, more information will be revealed about the black hole. How? Did you like this video? You will definitely tell in the comment box, as well as if you like the video, then like it and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.